We are going to show you some feedback on the development you are doing right now. First, we are on the landing page of Unzeenu. This is the home page. So now I have feedback about the color scheme. So basically, if you look at it's not been optimized to the best of the screen, but still again we can live with it. But what you can do is see these areas on the middle, on either side of this circle picture. If you want, you can expand this middle area. You can keep this size as it is for the section where you type the messages, but here and here you can expand the gap. For the reason is that at the moment there's a large area on the left and on the right that we are not using. So if you can expand it, that will be a bit better. Again, we don't want to make the pictures look stretch, but using the existing graphics and everything, if you can reduce this left and right area, that will be great, because I'm gonna compare it with the original website. Now here it's better because it's like a lesser area that we are using for the left and right. So that's number one. The number two is the actual colors you are using. So we have a little issue with the color we are using in here, and also either side of it, that doesn't go very well because it's like too dark of a gray color. What you can do is, just like on the live website, if you can reduce the that shade to a more lesser prominent color, just the same way as in the main website, I think that will be better. The third one is the line here. That's a purple color line, and it's not sitting very well. Just how it is on the original website, that is fine. You know, this light gray color over there for this scrolling bar, that is exactly what we need here, instead of this purple color, because purple is not a color that we have in the color scheme. And then the fourth one is that in here I suggested earlier that we don't need to have two things as recent users, old users is confusing. So what I like you to do is just have the recent users as the old users. You know, we don't need recent users and old users as two different things. It doesn't add any value. Just have this order of the recent users and just label it as all users, you know. And if you want to make use of that space, probably you can have an icon here for messenger or something, or about us, something like that. That's what we need to do. And the fifth thing is about the way you have done the optimization of the graphic media post area. If I'm right, the instructions I gave is that you are going to have the side color, one of the prominent colors from the thumbnail. Now here the black color is okay, because it's okay with this color. It might take as a prominent color, but here if you look at this picture, the black is not a prominent color, so it should be like a different color, because if you look at YouTube, how they have done is they pick up the prominent color of the thumbnail to expand the sides. You know, in the first one you can see a brownish color, in the second one is a swimming pool, so it's a bluish color, and the other one is a purple color, because it's the prominent color on the thumbnail picture. If you look at this one, it's a girl playing golf in a golf course, so the prominent color in that picture is the green, so the both sides they use the green as the prominent color. So that's what we need to do, is you need to have some good AI tool from your library that detects the prominent color of the thumbnail picture and then add that color to the left and right hand side. And the sixth thing is this the likes icon here, it doesn't add any value whatsoever, so you can get rid of this likes icon from the picture. We can just have this icon of the profile and the name of the profile. That's good enough, we don't need anything else. So the seventh thing is, my understanding was we had the top 10, but here when I count we have only 5 items on the graphic. It's not 10, it's only 5, and still I can live with 5, but over the bottom here there should be a button to click to show more, and when you click show more, it's gonna bring next 5 or next 10 after that, in the same way how we have it on the trending page. So if you go to the trending page of our website, when you scroll what is here, and after that when you click show more, it's gonna bring another 10 or whatever the number of items in a random sequence. The top 10, of course, we determine which top 10 we select, but when it comes to the next ones, it could be random. So that's point number 7. Now I'm going to the trending page. Looks like it's taking a bit longer to load, even higher than the original website. Now here also we have a little problem on either side. This color has to be adjusted, because if you look at our main website, now here we don't have any problem with the color scheme, so we need to have the same colors on the sides and in the middle area, and because it's too dark here and it doesn't go very well with the medium color. And again, around this community chat area, this dark blue color is not what we want. We need the light blue color, just like how we see over here. That is the light blue color that we need in that area. And same here where it says community chat, here you have that, you can have that light blue color, here you can have that light blue color, and then I can see a black box appearing from time to time. Now for here, there's like a black color line over here. I don't think that's a very good idea. Maybe you can have a little kind of a strip with a whitish color, or you can have like a little bit like a emboss, something like that for that one, because I don't really like the black color here. And even here we have the problem, on either side of the graphic you see it's only black color appearing, no matters. Now here the prominent color is not black, but again on either side you have added black color. So we want to correct it. We have to pick up the prominent color of the picture and add the left and right hand side based on the prominent color. That's what we agreed, I think. And this purple line here, I don't like it. We can have the same line like how we have in the messenger, like a light gray color for the scrolling bar. See here you have a light gray color. That's what we need to add over here. We have to change this color from purple to light gray, and so that's what we have to improve over here. And I don't have a problem over here, so this is fine. And if it helps, you can have this surrounding area all in light blue color, just like how we have it in the existing website. light blue color, then you don't need to have a black box appearing here. You have the light blue color around here, and then you have this text area beginning without having to draw any black color lines. So those are the things I want, and now I'm gonna go back to the messenger page, and sometimes if I go to this magic finder and select one of the fields, sometimes you can see the letters are too big here. If you can reduce the size, that will be better to adjust that. And again, if you go to the post magic mail, now you can see there's an overlap between some of the fields. So what you have to do is reduce the size of this text, and then you can avoid the overlap. Let's see if it works anyway. Yeah, see, now it does seems like you need to have many fields filled up. Does it work now? I don't know. Yeah, it's okay anyway. So you have to reduce the overlap on these sections,